It's the book of Numbers. And before we read the passage, I'll give you a little bit of information about how to translate Hebrew. If you find the tav at the beginning of a verb, of a shoresh, one of our three-letter shoreshes, shorshim, it means the future tense, you shall. And the easiest way to demonstrate that, Joseph, is in this word in the second line, ta'aseh, where the root is ayin sin hey aseh, to do, and the ta means you will. So we get the meaning you will do. And actually that appears again at the end of the line. Some other clues we've had before is that you recall the ha means the va or ba means in or with, the lamed means for or to, and the vav means and. So I took just maybe 5 words from the verse, and we're breaking them down into the meaning of the word plus the preposition that we join at the beginning. So for example, we have keves, which means lamb. How would we translate ha keves?
The lamb.
Right. Next, we have the word aseh, to prepare. How would we translate ta'aseh?
Ta'aseh.
You shall.
Correct. You shall prepare.
Prepare.
Then we have the word boker, which means morning. How about vaboker?
In the morning.
Right. Then we have sheni, which means second. How about hasheni?
The second.
Right, the second one. And then arba'im means evening. How about ha'arba'im?
The evening.
Well done. So for all of our learners tonight, Joseph, would you kindly give us over Numbers 28, verses 4 and 5 in the Hebrew, kindly?
Yes. Et ha keves.
And remember your double segol, 2 segols in a row, emphasize the first one.
Et ha keves.
Nice.
Echad.
Right, good. Continue.
Ta'aseh.
Beautiful.
Vaboker.
Beautiful. Continue.
V8.
V8.
Hakeves.
Hakeves.
Hasheni.
Hasheni. Nice.
Ta'aseh.
Ta'aseh.
Ben
Nice.
Avra.
Ha.
Ben Ha'ar. Baim.
Beautiful. Bein ha'arba'im. And the first lamb you shall prepare in the morning. And the second lamb, hakeves hasheni, ta'aseh bein ha'arba'im. You shall prepare at nightfall. Let's leave it at that for tonight because we've gone quite a bit over. And let's discuss a little bit more before our next meetings tomorrow about the possibility of switching over to Zoom. My instinct is that there's something that we simply need to solve in Google Meet, some issue that we need to solve in Google Meet, but let's discuss it further. Thank you everybody for joining. Excellent work, DeWicki and Stephen, and thank you for sticking with us.